Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change video ratio in your CapCut. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your CapCut app. After that, you have to click on new project. Now here you have to add any video which you want to add in your CapCut. For example, I want to add this video. After
Hello
that, you
everyone,
have to
welcome
click
to my
on
channel.
add at the bottom. Now here you have to change this video caption. Now here you have to change this video ratio. To change this video ratio, you have to click on at the bottom aspect ratio. You have to click on this. After that, here you can see all. This is TikTok ratio. In this way you can use your video in your TikTok screen. You can use YouTube screen by 16 by 19. In this way you can change Instagram. If you creating video your for Instagram, you have to select Instagram. You can also select YouTube, and you can also 16 by 19. In this way you can change your video ratio in CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.